75 years ago, the Allied Rapid Reaction Corps, as the British First Corps, led multinational troops in Normandy on D-Day. After those first troops came ashore at Sword Beach, it was critical to get the news back to command that the beach had been taken successfully. So, Royal Signallers used the most effective and simple communication device available to them, the humble pigeon.
The number one reason why they used pigeons on D-Day was because of their homing instinct. A pigeon's got a tremendous ability to find its way back to a central location where it lives. Not much phases them. You know, they want to get home. They've got a really big incentive to get back home, be that for food, be that for their partners, etc. And in the Second World War was to serve their country. With all the shells going off, with all the chaos of gunfire, and you know, being so exposed in the open air, these birds would just go through it. So it was really important that they did that and they did their duty.